We should create a humanitarian problem that will force Egypt and Turkey and Europe to absorb the Arabs as refugees. There will be no Arabs in the Gaza Strip. I want them out of Gaza, and we'll use different methods so the countries of the world will have pity on them and take them. Yes, I do hear the mosque. I do hear the prayer. Things were different until the 7th of October. No Arab. I'm speaking about more than 2 million Arabs. They will not stay there. We Jews will be in Gaza.
That sounds like ethnic cleansing.
People say to me, why don't you explain to the Jews in the United States what is exactly behind your thinking? I explain. But I'm laughing because the right word for it, you have to brainwash all the time. This state cannot be a state of Jews and Arabs. This is the state of Israel, is the state just of the Jewish nation.